Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We are getting straight into this install. I'm taking my Style Factor Edge Control. I'm going to place that around my hairline on my edges and brush that on back while I vibe to my music. I was in the mood to listen to SZA's CTRL album because if you know, you know. It's just like the theme album for when you're in your 20s. Like, I didn't really hear it when I was younger and it came out, but now I definitely feel her for sure. But yeah, this is the cute little bag that this wig came in. It came with 2 packs of lashes, period. And this band here, an HD lace wig cap, and then a little care package to show you and what to do with the care of the wig, like washing it and all of that. And then they also sent a regular transparent wig cap. I'm going to take this cotton round here. Well, not round. This is, I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to take this and use some sephora alcohol and put this around my skin just to clean it off from any of that oil that was from that edge control that might have got onto my forehead. And then I'm going to take this HD cap, tuck my hair inside. And we are not doing a bald cap today. We are just putting on the cap and using Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade RD15 and putting this all throughout the cap. And I'm going to pack it on here like real bad because this brush is fairly new, so it doesn't have like product buildup on it. So I'll put a lot on my cap, okay, to get it nice and brown. This is what the wig looks like, y'all, straight out the package. Not small as hell. Y'all see that? Not super small. They're bleached, but they don't look that bleached. But I mean, the knots are small, so that doesn't really matter. So yeah, as you guys can see, 9x6 lace, a nice full frontal. You guys see the inside. These clips are actually removable. And yeah, it came with extra clips too, and also this band here to have it nice and tight so you can do a glueless install. This is just what the hair is looking like, the density just showing you guys here. And I'm going to take that same makeup brush and put that makeup inside of the cap. And that's what it looks like now that it's tinted, period. And I'm literally saying, like, this is not cute at all. Like, I hope that they don't promote this wig in a way of saying, like, oh, like, you can wear this straight out the package, because you definitely can't. Like, you're going to have to go in and do a little bit of work. Not a whole lot of work, but at least a little bit. I'm going to show y'all a little bit of work that I would do to wear a glueless wig like this to make it look as natural as possible. And I was kind of going for sew-in vibes, like that kind of look. So yeah, I'm just buffing some more makeup into this lace and also on my skin. Since it is going to be glueless, it doesn't really matter. Once I have that looking more natural, I'm going to take some 𝐿 wax stick and I'm going to take that onto this hairline and hot comb it to just get the hairs pushed back, because it was a lot of flyaways. And yeah, I just wanted them to be pushed back to give it a more sleek look once it's done. Now I'm going to adjust the wig to where I want it to be. Like I said, I wanted this to give sew-in vibes, like super natural. You feel me? Like, I didn't want this too low on my forehead because that would look crazy. I kept it right above my hairline. So now that I have it where I want it to be, I'm going to take my Ebon Wonder lace spray. I'm just going to spray that along this lace here. And y'all might say, oh, this isn't a glueless install, that's adhesive spray, whatever, whoop-de-whoop. This is technically just spray. I really could have grabbed my Got To Be Glued spray and I would have done that. I just really wasn't thinking, honestly, because this is like always what I use for my installs. But this is honestly still glueless. Like, you're not having to do too much work with this. You're not having to go in with 3 layers of this to get this melted down and looking realistic and natural. I'm kind of readjusting this wig though, just a little bit, because I feel like it was a little too far up or too far back. So I'll push it up a little bit. And now I'm taking the band to just wrap this up. And I'm going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. I really wanted it to sit for 10, but I left it on since I was still flattening out the top of this wig. So this is why I was saying, like, I hope they don't promote this saying that you can wear it straight out the package, because this is a super humpy, bumpy wig. So I'm taking a lot of my 𝐿 wax stick and my hot comb and just putting, or oh my gosh, I'm getting too excited. Y'all know how I get excited when it's a good video and a good wig. But yeah, taking my hot comb to this hair and taking sections, not perfect sections, just sections though, okay? Maybe like 1 inch or a 1/2 inch apart, and I'm just flattening over the top over and over and over again until it is super flat. I'm making sure to get the back too, and I'm just using the hot comb on the flat side as well too to really get that product reinforced into the hair. But yeah, I'm just going to do that until I get to the top where the middle part is. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off of camera, really doing the same exact thing until I get to the top of the hair. But yeah, slow motions is the best way to do it with your hot comb, because that's really going to get the products through that hair, get it nice and sleek and flat. Do you feel me? With this being a glueless closure wig with 9x6 parting, this is really one of those wigs that you can just throw on. Like, I'm so serious. Like, once you get this part out the way, like flattening out the top and melting it just a tad bit so you don't see like the lace up close, because ooh, jump scare for real. Like, you want to put a little bit of spray on that just to get it seeped into your skin just a little bit more. I know it's HD, the knots are small, but still, like, this is still lace. But y'all see the difference? Like, y'all see how flat the right side is compared to the left? So yeah, I'm just going to put some wax stick for the last section here on this side. And it's literally going to give silk press vibes. Like, ooh, you have to have a good quality wax stick. Like, you have to. Nothing too greasy, because this looks freaking flawless. So now it's been about 15 minutes. I took the band off, and y'all see it's not going anywhere. Even though we did one little spritz of spray, it was really the melting band, TBH. But I'm taking some more makeup and putting that onto the lace, because I seen it was just a little bit casty from the spray, and you could still kind of see the lace a little bit. So now she's invisible. Like, she is invisible. Where do you see it? Nowhere. Taking some more of that hot comb, and I'm just reinforcing it into the hairline to make it look really natural, like it's growing out of my scalp. Putting it back at the front, kind of to just get everything looking put together. You feel me? Like, now that I have the band off, and yeah, like, it just looks so good. I was so happy with how, like, okay, do y'all see what I'm saying? This is so melted for real. So now I'm gonna just comb it out and kind of see like what it's looking like now that I do have the flat, or now that I do have the top flat and the lace melted. And I'm just thinking about what my next step is going to be for real. I thought it'd look a lot more natural if I took my comb and kind of bumped it in the front and kind of had it fall towards my face, if that makes sense. And now I'm going to flat iron the hair, even though it already came straight. This is just going to add some extra sleekness to it. You feel me? Kind of seal the look in. Don't be like me though, and don't use heat protectant, please. Like, I literally kind of damaged the hair in the front because I kept passing the hot ass flat iron through it with nothing to protect it. Like, I was too excited. I just skipped that step. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, I'm just flat ironing it again, like towards the front, kind of just so it can sit towards the front, like how a sewing would. You feel me? And I'm just combing it to get it in that place that I want. And it's giving, like, it's giving. Y'all can see I'm starting to feel it. I'm starting to feel myself now, because at first it was looking crazy. So I'm going to take my foundation, or this isn't foundation, this is that concealer. Y'all know what concealer this is, but it's in the shade Warm Honey LA Girl Pro Concealer. Warm Honey, taking that in a straight line, being really focused with this and putting this in the part to widen it. Not to just widen it, but to also make it look more natural. And I'm also putting it on my skin a little bit, like right in front of that lace, to just make it look a lot more natural. Now I'm going to take some Tresemme holding spray and put that over the top and flatten that out with my hands, just to give it just a more of a hold and make everything just look really, really seamless. Also taking that to the front, and I'm going to take this edge comb here and kind of just push it like how I was before in the front to just give it that little bump, and so it can stay put and into place with this spray. I felt like it needed a little bit more makeup. It probably really didn't, but I wanted this to look really natural, like this was melted into my skin, and it definitely helped. But yeah, now I'm going to do some layers into the hair, just because I feel like it being straight down kind of just looked weird, especially because my face is pretty small. Now I'm going to take my comb and then this black hairspray, and I'm basically going to put this in the part. It really didn't need this, but I wanted to do this. Like, I'm taking these extra steps so it can look 10 out of 10. Matter of fact, 11 out of 10. But yeah, this is just gonna make the part look a lot cleaner. I'm inserting this clip in this video just because I was feeling myself so hard. Like, it was looking so cute because y'all know I never do no baby hairs for real. And this was just giving like the perfect 2x6 install or sew-in vibe. That was just so tea. So I was like, let me put on some makeup for y'all. The few things that I am using will be in the description box. So yeah, you guys can look at the bottom of this video and see everything that I am using. Just some lip liner, 2 of them, you feel me? Some lip stain and lip plumping lip gloss. I love lip plumping lip gloss so bad. Like, I don't get it. I feel like since I use it so much, my lips have gotten bigger. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm tweaking, but I feel like it has. Like, I love it so much. But yeah, that's the lip combo. And then I'm going to put on a little bit of blush, just a little bit. You feel me? That Rare Beauty. Ooh, girl. I wish I would have used this sooner. I don't know why I thought it was way more expensive than it is. But it's really not that bad, especially if you're into not rare beauty, but if you're into high quality things, high quality blush, luxurious blush, I should say. I shouldn't say high quality because that drugstore be hitting too. But yeah, y'all, I'm feeling myself, as y'all can see. This is what it's looking like up close, y'all. So melted, so seamless. Like, are you kidding me? Like, look how it looks when I touch it. Like, it literally looks like I'm touching a sew-in. Like, deadass a sew-in. I'm going to take some Chi Iron Guard and I'm going to put this throughout the hair just to add some shine and some silkiness. Definitely should have did this before I flat ironed the hair, but you live and you learn, honestly. Like, this is literally why you should do this before you flat iron your hair, because look at the top of the hair. Like, you can see that it's more frayed because, yeah, it kind of got a little messed up, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't look that bad. I'm going to cut off some inches in the end, on the ends, I mean, and then cut off some, like, this just to give it a more of a frayed look. This always makes your wigs look fuller. Don't think that you shouldn't do that step. Like, always cut off a couple inches. It makes it look a lot more luxurious. Like, do you see this? Look at how silky, shiny, full this is. And what I loved about this closure is that it literally didn't hurt my head. Like, it fit around my ears perfectly. And it's a 9x6, so it can do styles. Like, you can do whatever you want with this. I just opted for a middle part today, something really easy, sleek, and super natural. But any style you would do on a frontal, you can literally do on this closure. As y'all can see, this is the end of this video. I just wanted to insert some videos from when it was freshly done, showing you how good it looked. Like, look up close. It looks so natural, and the hair was so silky. I definitely highly recommend this hair, this wig to you guys. And yeah, make sure to check the description box for the information on this hair and on me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.